Dear friends, in this video, we are going to discuss step-by-step guide to becoming a generative AI pro. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate learner ready to level up, this series will walk you through everything from the very basic to building real-world AI products. This is not just another course, it's a journey and you are going to learn by doing. So make sure to subscribe, hit that like button if you are excited, and share this roadmap with your friends and teamwork who are ready to explore the future of AI. Let's break down the phase by phase. Of course, the phase 1, foundation. Begin your AI journey with essential building blocks like Python programming, mathematics, and data structure. This intensive foundation phase combines theoretical knowledge with hands-on coding, preparing you for the complex world of AI. And next, it is all about machine learning basic. Yes, dear friends, dive into the core concept of machine learning, where data meets algorithm to create intelligent solutions. Master both the supervised and unsupervised learning techniques while building practical models. This phase actually bridges theory and application, discussing you how to analyze data, building the models, and evaluate their performance effectively. Next, deep learning and frameworks. Yes, dear friends, enter the powerful world of deep learning framework, TensorFlow and PyTorch. Learn to build, train, and optimize neural networks using industry standard tools. So this phase transforms you from a machine learning practitioner to a deep learning engineer capable of implementing complex neural architecture. Next phase, it is computer vision. Yes, explore how machines can understand and interpret visual information through advanced CNN architecture and modern vision transformer. And of course, from basic image processing to real-time computer vision application, master the techniques through that power everything from facial recognition to autonomous vehicle. So this phase combines theoretical depth with a practical implementation. Next phase, it is a natural language processing. Yes, dear friends, journey through the evolution of natural language processing from basic text analysis to state-of-the-art language model. So learning to build systems that can understand, generate, and manipulate human language. This phase covers everything from fundamental text processing to advanced transformer architecture and ethical consideration in natural language processing. And next phase, it is generative AI. That is, master the cutting edge field of generative AI, learning to create new content across multiple modalities. So from VAE to GANs to diffusion models, understand the architecture that powers today's most impressive AI system. This phase discusses you to build model that can generate images, text, audio, and videos. And last phase, it is all advanced application and a project. Yes, bring together everything you have discussed in a comprehensive capstone project. Focus on practical implementation, deployment, and real-world application of AI system. This final phase transforms your theoretical knowledge into practical expertise, preparing you for real-world AI development and deployment. Dear friends, each phase is designed to build upon the previous one, creating a comprehensive understanding of modern AI and machine learning. The program combines theoretical depth with practical application, ensuring you are ready for real-world AI development by the end. If this roadmap got you excited, hit like to support this content, share it with your learning buddies, and subscribe to follow each episode. We will explore, build, and grow together one concept at a time. Thanks for watching. Happy learning, dear friends.